Good afternoon, I'm Dan with an At-Home New England Channel News. This just in, a blizzard is currently headed towards our area. Although this isn't news to the locals, I'm only doing this because I was promised a new iPhone since the one I have is 8 generations behind. We will now switch over to Shannon McGurk, our roving reporter who has nothing better to do than to make short videos and get no more than 100 views from family members and friends on Facebook. On to you, Shannon.
Yes, thank you, Dan. The date is January 29th, 2022. I'm on the streets of Seekonk, Mass. In the middle of a blizzard, or as we say here in New England, it's wicked bad out. Current temperature is 19 degrees and winds are at 25 miles per hour, but it feels like more. It looks like the snow will be falling steadily throughout the day, coming in at 2.3 inches per hour. Whew. Possibility of ticketing if we see anybody on the roads. And some piece of advice: don't leave your white-haired cat or dog outside because you have a big chance of losing them. Let me tell you, it's freezing today, and I've only eaten toast because they were only selling bread and milk at the store yesterday. Why my parents chose to stay in New England is beyond me, and every part of my body is chipping in to regulate a normal body temperature. If it looks like I'm sweating or I'm crying right now, I'm not. It's the snow that's just hitting my face very harshly. Yep, okay. All right, we just received notice from the U.S. government that only essential workers are allowed out today. This includes healthcare workers, snowplowers, and people who work at Dunkin' Donuts. Let me tell you, I am not looking forward to shoveling. I am too damn short. By the time I get in here, my legs are sinking in, and the snow's way up to my crotch area. Help me! I think I'm catching a cold, but nobody cares. Nobody cares. Because that's what we do in New England. Yes, we go out and, you know, it's time to have fun. The snow is magical. Yay, all around, all around. You are in Hawaii, soaking in the tropical weather, mocktail in hand, unafraid of getting cataracts due to the beautiful blazing sun. Okay, I'll tell the people. So, more good news. Children and adults will be unable to make snowman as the snow is too dry to keep its shape. Great. Awesome. What is the point of having snow then? It amazes me that these trees just don't fall down. You know, I've been here 28 years and nothing. I want to be just like you. Sturdy, tall, and uncold. If you haven't gotten out today, don't. It's cold. Everything's hitting my face. I'm sure you won't look as ridiculous as me, but I dressed in black so you can see me. I'm smart that way. Oh God, toes are starting to be cold now. I'm gonna have to take a warm bath after this. It's cold. My hair's frozen. Bum bum ba-dum bum 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 bum. Oh, I can't even walk through here and what is? Hey, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. We aren't allowed to drive in the streets today. What's that? Huh? Oh, okay. Well, in that case, I will have a small, hot caramel decaf latte with oat milk. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. How are you gonna? You didn't even show. How are you gonna back out? Oh, that's right. You got all-wheel drive. All right, you're good. Bye. Just got all-wheel drive. New Englanders. I am beside myself. But the only thing that can keep me going, the only thing that can keep me running is... Thank you. Okay. Well, thank you all for tuning in, and I hope we all don't die this winter. And cheers to y'all. Back to you, Dan. Yes, thank you, Dan. The date is January 29th, 2022. I'm on the streets of Seekonk, Mass. In the middle of a blizzard. Or as we say, it's wicked bad out. Current temperature is 19 degrees and wicked bad out. Oh, shit. And some piece of advice. Don't leave your white hair or cats. Possibility. A possibility. Possibility. A possibility. Possibility of ticketing if we find anybody on the road. And every part of my body is chipping in. And every goddamn part of my body is chipping in to help me regulate a normal body temperature. And every part of my body is chipping in. And every part of my body is chipping in to. And every part of my body is and every part of my body is chipping in to keep a normal, regulated body temperature. And every part of my body is chipping in. And every part of my body is chipping in to keep a. And every part of my And every part of my body is chipping in to keep a normal, regulated body temperature. And if it looks like I'm sweating or crying, it's not. It's just the intensity of the snow hitting my face. And if it looks like I'm sweating or crying, it's not. It's the intensity of the snow hitting my face. This guy probably thinks I'm crazy. All right. Let me tell you, I am not looking forward to shoveling. Okay? My back just healed from the last blizzard. Yes. And every time I step in the snow comes all the way up to my crotch area. Ah! So, more good news. Children and adults will not be able to make snowman because, let's see here. Oh, it says it's too dry to keep its shape. Great. Amazing. We can enjoy it even more now. Guys, there's somebody over there in a truck. Oh, Lord. The light's on. He's probably like, this bitch, what is she doing in this snowstorm today? Anyways, oh my God, I'm crooked. Okay. I'm on the wrong page. I want to be just like you. Sturdy and uncold. I want to be just like you. Sturdy and uncold. I can't do this while looking at the trucks probably looking at me. I know you videotaping me. I know it. That's all right. Oh my goodness, people. Oh my gosh. Where are you? There you are. Hey, how are you guys today? My face red? Probably you can't. I look good. I look pretty good. My lips are frozen. I think even my boogies are frozen too. All right, let's try that one more time. Let me see you. Can I see you? Come out. I want to see your hand a little bit. Come. Keep coming. A little bit. Perfect. Okay, go back. Okay. Let me tell you, I am beside myself, but the only thing that can keep me going, the only thing that... running, it's after running, Mom. I am beside myself. That the only thing that can keep me going, the only thing that can keep me running is... Mom. Wait! You gotta help me out with this. You just ditched me. Wait a minute now. Oh my God, it fell off. These people are looking at me crazy. Hi! You put up the window, okay? Give me a second. Okay, well, don't put it up all the way then. Okay. Put it, Ma. Put it there. Yeah, good. Nah, halfway. Yeah. Stop. Okay, here we go. Hey, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Well, we aren't allowed to drive on the streets today. Huh? What? No! Bum bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Oh my God. Man, sunk it in. It's like a sinkhole in winter. It's like quicksand in winter.
I said this to Brandon. We're just only halfway done with the snow.
Take care, New England. We love you.
What was over here? Freezing.